Niagara is known the world over for its ice wine. Today, I'm gonna try some of this liquid gold and then see how it's made. I'm here at Peller Estates and I'm about to meet Katie and she's gonna show me the 10 Below room. Guys, I'm so excited to try some ice wine. All right, what are we trying first?
What we're gonna taste is our Andrew Peller Signature Series Riesling Ice Wine.
The beautiful, unique igloo-inspired lounge is arguably one of the best and most interesting ways to taste and experience ice wine.
Wow. Oh, that smells so good. Cheers.
This Canadian region is the only place in the world with a hot enough summer and cold enough winter to ensure an ice wine crop each year. The requirements for production are intensive. Harvest must be done at -8°C or below, and the grapes must be pressed while still frozen. This means picks happen in the dead of the night, and with the sun setting, it's time for me to gear up and get ready for a long night ahead. All right, Katie, what exactly is Icewine Harvest?
Icewine Harvest is picking grapes when they're frozen. So we're out here in the middle of the night. It's about -12°C, perfect conditions for harvesting our grapes. And we're gonna pick them. So we're gonna take a snip, drop the grapes into the basket. And as you can hear, it's quite hard, and that's because the individual berries are frozen. It's cold.
Yeah, it is cold. That's right, but it's good for the grapes. Not as comfortable for the pickers, but really good for the fruit.
We need a nice, long, cold stretch in order to get the grapes frozen enough to make ice wine.
All right, it is freezing. I am so excited to get this to the press house and, see the fruits of our labor.
Exactly, this is just the beginning.
Because of these requirements and the temperamental nature of weather, the night of the harvest is often determined last minute, when producers know the temperature will hold cold enough through to the morning. Oh, that is so good. That tastes so fresh. So after this, what happens?
Well, here we have the juice. The next job is to turn it into wine. So fermentation, and then you'll end up with that great finished bottle.
What a rush these last 24 hours have been, from getting called to do the Icewine Harvest to actually getting out there and picking the grapes myself. It has been such a bucket list experience. Now it's time to defrost, maybe over a glass of ice wine. I'm Kaitlin Narciso, and this is my Niagara.